Ooh.
Bro,
I know.
that's the coolest one.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the den. Man, we got a package I forgot to mention yesterday. Let's see what this says. What's this say? I don't know what that says. I don't have my glasses on. We gonna see what some of this is, and then we'll be right back. Told you they gotta be the shorter ones.
Yeah.
So this would be like front and back.
Yeah. And
This one's 90 centimeter here.
What are you doing, guys?
It's the power.
Help? Oh, that's awesome.
I will say that their packaging is pretty legit. Pretty dope. Like it's not all messy and stuff, you know.
Hey, bro, look.
There's still more stuff in here. Yeah, so you get two 90 centimeters and two 150 centimeters. These are your clips.
Chill out, Donis.
Extra wire. We do try to.
Ta-da.
Unboxing time, you already know.
I got a story time.
Huh?
I got a story time.
You got a story?
Story time.
Story time? Let's tell it.
We was on the bus yesterday. Tell me why. I had two Calypsos. One like fell out, so this girl had seen it. She was already on the bus. She was like, ooh, I'm actually thirsty. Can I get some? And then she was like, I'll trade you a Reese's for it. She was like, matter of fact, I'll give you 2 Reese's. I'm like, no, I don't even eat chocolate. She said something, I don't care. She said, I don't care. She looked me in my face and told me she didn't care. Yeah.
Oh, no.
She said,
Life is crazy out here.
she said, that's not what I asked. I'm thirsty. I said, so why would I give you my drink if I don't want your can?
Right.
She said something, because you do stuff for people, because it's called being generous, being nice. But she didn't care. I didn't want no reason.
Yeah, I want to let her know. Well, yeah, I'm generous when it's called for. Right now, it's not called for.
Then she got mad and threw the Reese's at him.
Dang.
She threw the Reese's at him. Then she was, what did she say? I forgot. Then she kept saying, can I have some? Can I have some?
And she said, please, like 1,000
Please,
times.
please,
Yeah,
please.
No.
She was like, when you're downtown, I'm not going to help you. Like I'm finna be a bum or something. She's like, you're downtown, I'm not gonna help you.
Yeah, no.
Then she said, I'm gonna tell on you.
Yeah. She said, I'm gonna tell her. He said, I'm gonna tell the music at Elizabeth's house.
You heard that? You heard that? Did you hear that? I don't think you heard that.
Beast mode.
Go get him, fucking.
Okay, we know my baby.
Shoot. Oh, man. I don't like it. Oh, shoot. That's what happens when, gas in this thing, man. I'm tripping. It's because I don't drive it no more. I won't even drive my car. I'm trying to do stuff to it. Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. Look at this. That's how many miles we're looking at on the 2010. What's on that dash? What's on that dash? You don't know. Trying to just let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. I'm gonna have to go to the what's the name? Almost slammed on the brakes. I'm gonna have to go to the take the gas can to the gas station. People are trying to park your car where I don't want to park there. The cars is dirty too, man. Look at this. Look at that.
You gotta get a new tire.
Huh?
You gotta get a new tire.
Probably so. Because it got a slow leak in it. I have to find if there's a nail in it or something. Ooh, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Still trying to do a pigtail connector on that for the fog light. Dealership out here keeps sending me the wrong crap. And I don't like it. We'll be back in a second.
Later that same evening.
Let's look at the progress so far. Get that cleaned up. Got that all cleaned up. Look at them eye box, man. Thing's dope. All cleaned up. We gonna wire that up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah. Yeah. You supposed to have the other light, bro.
Oh. I had turned it off.
see it that well.
You trying to act like you ain't chewing no wood. I know where you got it from. You got it from Arthur. You got it off
I'm
the.
gonna put a clip on that too.
Did you for real? No, you did. Did you? I'm telling you.
I can't see where this one's at. I didn't put that one in yet.
Or did you give her?
Got custom cuts.
Come here. Throw it away.
You still gotta put this one on. Push up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. That's nice. It shines on the muffler. On your Nissan? On your Rogue? On your Nissan Rogue? Just wait until you put the red on.
Switches.
Oh, switches?
I don't know where it's at. Oh.
Isn't that cool about it? Oh my goodness.
And then that is gonna change me.
Wait, is that's green?
It's blue.
Oh.
Christmas, boy. You know that ain't gonna be out.
Right.
We gotta pick a different holiday.
My birthday.
Red, blue, and white.
My birthday, orange and black. They ain't got black though. So orange and white. Ooh, that would be cold.
Yeah.
Not too bad. You're not gonna turn this light off, Mom? Why not? You scared the goose gonna get you? So YouTube, y'all, this light kind of worked. All right, there you go. So we just installed the light during that 2010 Challenger, bro. Beautiful. Y'all can't wait for y'all to see that. But I mean, y'all already seen some of that. But you know, y'all gotta see the full thing. Well, fire. Just wait till y'all see it. Just wait till y'all see it. Done.